We don't teach the same way as we used to. We like people to write a case study describing an organization they know. We offer a broad range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses.
We've decided to ask you to write 4 short pieces of coursework this year. This science fiction novel uses advanced space technologies to create the setting.